Subtraction by borrowing. If you want to see more of my videos, please press the subscribe button. Let's see an example. 36 minus 7. Here you can see in the units place we have, or in the ones place we have 6 and 7, and 7 is greater than 6. Also in the tens place we have 3 and not 1. So we will do this problem by borrowing, that is asking the help of the nearby number. That is, we cannot do 6 minus 7, hence we are asking the help of the number in the tens place to give me one number. The tens place 3 is now giving one number, or 1, to the ones place. But don't mistake, it is not 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, because the tens have given you 1 of its 10. Therefore, the number 6 has now transformed to 16 and not 7. Now, how will you do 16 minus 7? In the previous sessions, we have discussed it, that we should know backward counting from 18 to 0. With the help of backward counting, we will be subtracting 7 from 16, and we will get the answer as 9. Now, what happens in the tens place? In the tens place, number 3 has given one of its tens to the ones place. So, the tens place has now changed to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And we know 2 minus 0 is 2 itself. So, the final answer is 29. Now, we can counter check whether our answer is correct or not by simply adding 29 plus 7. 29 plus 7 is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So, the answer is correct. Let's see an example of 43 minus 6 and 92 minus 5. So, we have got two problems, 43 minus 6 and 92 minus 5. So, in the first number we can see 6 is greater than 3, and in the tens place we have 4. We will borrow 110 from 4 to 3. It is not 3 plus 1 equal to 4, always remember. It is 3 with a 10 given by 4. So, it is 13 minus 6 in the units place now, and for doing 13 minus 6 we will do backward counting, and we got the answer from backward counting. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7, and since the 4 has given 110 to the units place, 4 is now changed to 3. So, the answer is 37. In the second problem, 5 is greater than 2. So, here also we will do by borrowing. We will borrow 110 from 9 to 2. So, 2 now changes to 12, and 9 minus 1 becomes 8 in the tens place. With the help of backward counting, we will get the answer as 7 in the ones place, and in the tens place the answer is 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. So, the final answer for the second problem is 87. If you want to counter check your answer is correct or not, add 87 plus 5. If the answer is 92, that means your answer 87 is correct. Let's have some problems for practice. First question is 21 minus 8. Second question, 90 minus 9. So friends, try to do and find the answer by borrowing. Don't make mistakes.